Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. I'm excited actually for this video. It's a Wednesday. I wanted to come out here, talk to you guys about OpusClip, which is a tool that I'm using for the last few months now. And I made videos about it in the past. Some people call it an expensive tool. Some people call it a cheap tool. There are many comparisons out there. But let's say you want to bridge the gap between AI and your videos that you're making, and how do you keep that momentum with YouTube marketing as a whole. So shorts is a big part of YouTube, and if you're not doing shorts, you're missing out. When I say I'm missing out, I don't mean that you're missing out opportunities. At the end of the day, you want to build and you want to keep that momentum going. And I always use this use case is that, let's say you go on a vacation tomorrow, sometimes your shorts are gonna be the tool to help you maintain that momentum over that time that you're taking a break, and then the other videos will be able to supplement that. So for example, I try to get out a piece of content every single day. I'm not the best YouTuber, guys, but I'm on that journey and I would like to share with you that journey as well. So if that's interesting for you and you want to learn more about marketing as a whole when it comes to video marketing, affiliate marketing, these kind of things, tips and strategies, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because that's what this channel is about. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I've got about 2068 subscribers on my channel right now. I try to put out a piece of content every single day. I've been using the OpusClip. I want to go over kind of the costs. As I said in the beginning of this video, some people do think that it is an expensive tool. Some people do think it's a cheap tool. I am an affiliate for Opus. And the reason why I became an affiliate for OpusClip, guys, is because I actually use the tool and I love it. Okay, now there are other tools out there, could be better. There could be newer tools that come out. But so far, I think OpusClip has been great in upgrading their systems continuously. So I've used it for shorts, but I've used it also for long form content. I just want to share with you how much does it cost me, what I'm doing with it. I do have a full-time job, guys. This is not my main hustle. So obviously I just want to let you know that I can afford it, which is why I went with the subscription plan, the paid plan. You can try it for free. The link is going to be in the description. You can try it for free if you want. And then if you do decide, I recommend to go for the yearly plan because you save up to 50% by doing that. Okay, so just if you want to save your money and you're going to be using it for the entire year, which I presume that most people are, then make sure that you go for the yearly plan. That's what I recommend, and the link is below. So just to give you guys an idea, I spend about 174 euros, which is about 14.5 euros per month for this tool. It's billed yearly. Okay, I took a yearly plan because it just makes sense, and I was saving 50%, as you guys can see, and so that's what I personally am doing, which means that my credits that I use get renewed every single month, and I can use this unlimited until the credits get over. If I want to add more credits, I can, but trust me, 3,000 credits per month is more than enough for you to do everything that you need to do with OpusClip. So we'll scroll down just to let you guys know there's AI animated captions, AI clipping, auto posting on YouTube, TikTok, IG Reels, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can connect everything under the sun to this. It's going to help you quite a lot, in my opinion. Pinterest is missing. Pinterest would be a good addition to it. So just FYI, it's a powerful editor. As you guys, I will show you guys I will not go into editing exactly with OpusClip, but I'll give you guys some ideas. Okay, editing with OpusClip is really good in certain scenarios. So say you have a use case of you have a YouTube channel that you're telling a story, you're telling some history details. It's less of these kind of videos where I'm on camera and I'm sharing my screen and talking to you guys, tutorials kind of videos. Those are really good to edit within OpusClip because you're going to save a lot of time with the AI features that OpusClip has. Okay, that's what's going to help you. You have AI features, you have B-rolls that you can add, you have I think, if I'm not mistaken, also the music that you can add. So there's a lot that comes with the tool that's going to save you a lot of time. Okay, so that's one thing that I want to share with you. And then you can import it the video from 10 different sources. You can use it also in other tools, outside tools, that if you need to. And then as you can see right here, you can have it in multiple ratios, social media planner, brands, everything can be done within within OpusClip itself. I love it. I really do. I use it a lot. I found the benefit in the last month and a half more than anything else because specifically for the social media scheduler, because I was traveling for work in the last month and I didn't have a lot of time to make videos and edit videos. So I took my older videos that I had and I made sure that I had that momentum still going on my YouTube channel. So I posted shorts every single day. In fact, they still keep going out because of how the scheduler is. So it's a really nice tool. Now there are pros and cons to that as well, and I will go into that if you stay till the very end of this video, because I want to make sure that you guys understand the pros and the cons to this kind of a tool so you can evaluate whether it is the right thing for you or not. So you can see brand template. If you want, you can do everything. You can create your own brand template here. You can save it and so on and so forth. So that's pretty cool. If you want to, do a little Canva work before and then post it there, you can do that as well. No problemos. You can have your asset library, which you can add a different list of words, censored words if you want, pronouns or vocabulary, media. It's up to you. You have the calendar right here, as you guys can see, and you can see that I have it scheduled every single day until the 29th, so until I think Wednesday. I have a video scheduled and I have to do it for the rest of the the new videos, but I use the scheduler quite a lot, as you guys can see. And then you can see the analytics on also how you've been using it. So I've just started using the scheduler recently, so now I can see how the views are doing. So for example, I can see that there's been actually less likes, a little bit less shares. I've definitely got more account views, but just the analytics is something that they're getting used to and they're improving. So it's a tool that they're using. You can connect your social accounts. Unfortunately, you cannot connect Facebook profiles. You can connect Facebook pages. Okay, other than that, you can go to TikTok. You can do Instagram business, again, not Instagram personal but business, LinkedIn, and X also. Those are the platforms, just to show you guys. And then I believe if I go to home, the tool works very, very, very easy. So let's say you want to do long to short. Okay, this is what it does. You take long form content, you go to short. Now you can either click that and do it, or you can just go and grab your link to your video and just add that link here. And I'm just going to do this for to show you guys, and then it'll bring it up. You can do clip anything. I usually use clip anything, or you can use auto, let the AI choose. I usually like to use clip anything, and then I let the AI detect, because at the end of the day it makes sense. I usually also trim my front end and back end because I save a little bit of credits by doing that. But also I have fillers in the front and the back. I know my videos are this way, so I try to, at least the back I try to trim out, and in the front I can keep a little bit longer. It's fine. So those are the two things. And then you can have select your different presets for your captions, or you can go to your save this template, and then after that you just click on get clips in one click, and then it brings out for you. Now I'm not going to do it because I just did it before for this video specifically, and it brought about 20 clips for me, as you guys can see. Now the beauty of this is we're going to do right now, I'm just going to share with you what all is on the videos, right? So first and foremost, you can click on them and you can play it. Okay, so that's about a minute video, a minute and a half video. It has a 99 viral scroll, so the likelihood of this will go viral on shorts or TikToks or reels is high. So this scoring is pretty important to pay attention to, because it's going to help you with understanding whether you have good views or not. How does it take this scoring? It takes it from the content of the video itself, it takes it from the subject, and so on and so forth. Okay, it does a little bit of SEO, but not everything. It does a little bit of SEO, not everything. So you can click over here if you want to schedule it, or select time to publish, and you can select time to publish and publish it, so that you can do individually per video if you want. Or and this is the beauty of it, this is something that's come up quite nicely with OpusClip, and I want to share with you, is you can select over here on top, click on select, and you select the videos that you want to, basically you check the pages or you want to publish. So these first few ones I know I want to go because they have the highest score any which ways, and I want them to go. I might edit a couple of things, but I want at least these 5 videos. These are 5, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5 to be scheduled. So I'm going to go bulk schedule, and you can see right here it generates now some things. If you want to ask AI to write in a specific tone, you can write in a specific tone. So say I would like the descriptions to be to be fun and educative. Okay. And what it's doing right now, it's generating descriptions and also the content right here. So now everything is changed. I would, these places where my name is there, I'm going to just, take out because it doesn't matter. Email marketing there. I will definitely change this. So you can check these out. Let's say these are 5, right? So I don't want, why is it showing my name? I don't want my name to be there. Yeah, it's pretty smart, right? Anyway, I'm going to take off my name in all of these places because it doesn't make sense. And I might regenerate a couple of these. Yeah, let's all do that. I like that I'm doing this live for you guys so that you can see, but I'm going to keep them small. Another thing that you can do over here is you can add a link, let's say, to each of them, to each of these 5 videos. I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to keep it like this, but I want to show you guys strategies. Just that strategy. Okay. I need to remove my name from all of these. I don't like that my name is there. It has to catch people's attention any which ways, right? It doesn't need my name. So yeah, that's what I have right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go customize time. I want it from not 27th. So we have till the 29th. So I'm going to put 30th. Okay. Starts on 30th. And then every day at 7 p.m. Not GMT, but oh yeah, GMT actually. That's correct because that is what I want. Rome time. I live in Italy, guys. So that's Rome time. And then every day I want it to be posted. Okay. So I'm going to save this. So what's going to happen is that from the 30th, every single day a video is going to go out to my YouTube channel, and we're going to schedule it. So what I've just done right here, if I go to my calendar, you'll see that now I have 30th, 31st, 1st, and then the other days of the calendar. The next month is going to be there as well. Okay, so if I go to next month, you'll see the next month also there. But just to show you, okay, so that's what happens. It gets scheduled, and every single day at that time, it's going to go out. So that's the beauty of it. Very nice. Very happy with this method of scheduling, and this is what keeps the momentum running. Now, there's one other thing which I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this right now. So on a good note, OpusClip Pro does give you a lot of time saving methods that you can use. Okay, so pretty cool. There are things that I haven't used, like for example, AI voiceover or using AI hooks and so on and so forth that you can. All those things are pretty cool. I haven't tested those things out, but they are helpful. I don't know if it's for you guys also, but for me personally, 2025 has gone by so quickly that I feel like I need more time with these tools to be able to, expand and explain them, which is why I don't get other tools and I stick to one, actually save a lot of time and effort by doing that. Anyway, getting back, I digress. Getting back to the topic. The pros and cons of that is that you can definitely keep the momentum going and schedule it. But I'm going to share with you, if I go to content right here, first I'll go to analytics. Let's go to shorts. Okay. And I just want to show you, go to content, go to shorts. You can see right here that I started doing this without adding any description. Adding any tags or any SEO related stuff, and it's still been getting a good amount of views every single day. Not bad, not great, but not bad. Okay. So this is pretty nice, pretty decent. And I'm still in the last, even if you put in the last 7 days, okay, I'm going to show you guys in the last 7 days so that we look at it, clearly. In the last 7 days, I'm still getting a YouTube search. This is important. Okay, so there is an SEO element to it, but it's not everything. The virality does help, but the SEO element is there. The beauty of everything that I'm just going to share with you is that I think that it saves you a lot of time. The con is that it doesn't have all SEO features that I think is needed for the long term of your channel. So you have to combine your efforts. There is work involved in having a YouTube channel, guys. I would suggest once a month, if you want to schedule all your content for the entire month, or once a week, you schedule content for the entire week. And then another time, so another day, let's say once a week or once a month, you go back to that content, you go back to those shorts, go and click on edit, add your SEO features. What are the SEO features? Basically, you need to add a video here, related content. So for example, with this, I'll put affiliate. This is the video that I want related to it. Why? Because if I start to put those SEO elements here and now the momentum starts to build long term, people will want to see the whole video. When they want to see the whole video, they click on that link. So it's good to maintain momentum, but also you can help your overall channel in the long term. Okay, I hope this makes sense for you guys. And then you add your playlist. These are all going to help you with your SEO. And then you go to show more, and then you can add right here after everything else. You can add right here all your tags. Okay, so these are the important things that you need to do in order for you to start to generate longevity. So OpusClips helps you in the short term. It helps you kind of in the long term. Definitely helps you with saving time, and then go back and edit your stuff so that you can you can make a difference. Now there are other tools that you can do this in bulk, but we'll save that for another video. Right now I just wanted to share with you that. I hope this video is educational, and if you did like this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing content, guys, I am here for you. Every Monday and every Friday I post about it. On a Wednesday I geek out. This is why I'm making this video. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you like the content, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.